Today is the second last day, that is the fifth day, and today we'll be heading to Siliguri. As I showed you yesterday, we are staying at Siddharth Lodge, and just look at me. I'm right here in my bed. And if you can see behind me, do you see that? We can enjoy the view of the Kanchenjunga right from your bed here at Siddharth Lodge at Tumling.
Not today, just stay. Just stay. Just stay. One more night.
Okay, so right now it's around 8:56, 9 a.m. and we are leaving Tumling soon. And look at this cute little dog, Puchi Puchi Puchi. The view, as I showed you yesterday, was amazing. Yes, yesterday Kanchenjunga was not clearly visible from here, but from the Siddhartha Lodge, Kanchenjunga is easily visible. The sun is shining brightly, and that is the route that we are going to take back. There are actually two routes to take. I mean, you can also take this route here, out here, and you see this pillar right here, that is the Nepal-India border. So yes, this is Nepal and this road is in India. So you can also take this route and it takes you through Nepal, and this route takes you to India. It is concrete and better, but then there are quite a few good views here as well. Okay, the time right now is 9:21 a.m. and we are leaving. Just cold started our motorcycles, packed up everything. So goodbye Tumling. We'll take the same route back, not the off-road one, because off-road pe to aana hi hai kuch der baad. After Tonglu there is some serious off-roading, as you already have seen. Yeah man, we'll miss this wonderful Kanchenjunga view. Look at those two babies. Oh, these are adventurous parents. That's great. Just look at them. Oh yes, and the interesting fact about this is from Kolkata you can come to this place within just 2 days. Kolkata to Siliguri and Siliguri to Tonglu. That's about it. I mean, on an extended weekend, just take a Friday and Monday leave. You could come here, relax your day, relax the next morning, and then head back to Kolkata. How cool is that? All this gravel and stones just so that the road can be made fully concrete and it lasts for a few months. And yes, when the whole road till Sandakphu becomes fully concrete, riding a motorcycle would not be a problem at all. My god, PK Banjan to Sandakphu, can't even imagine how hard it was. हाँ जा रहे हैं वापस. So this is Tata. So this is Raju Bhaiya's place at Tonglu, and here I'll come again. That I'm pretty much sure about. It was such a homely feeling, such homely food. Even Shantanu was saying we could have some Wi-Fi here, but then we have just started and it might get a little bit late. So I thought, why not? We will have to stop near Mirik Lake. So why not directly stop at Mirik Lake? Also, once we get into network area, we'll have to call Menak and ask him how he is doing. So from here, the bad roads from Tonglu to Manivanjan start. Bad in the sense, extremely bad roads. But then we are going down, so power should not be an issue. Just clutch, engine braking, using your rear brakes. That's about it. And letting the other person move ahead should not be that tough. But then, yeah, it's always risky. All of us know that. Once Silas crosses over, then only I can come. Okay, these roads are not that tough. गाड़ी को तो आगे ही जाना है कॉर्नर से. कोई नहीं, we will take it slow and easy. Shilaj gone, now my turn. Slow and easy, slow and easy, slow and easy. ये good roads मतलब dangerous roads नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. Good roads मतलब these are good roads, concrete roads, but then the inclination is very steep. See the road there. क्या मस्त है, क्या मस्त है. First gear engine braking, the only formula.
Just feel
নট গুড, নট গুড। সোজা পড়েছি, হা 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 পড়েছি। হ্যাঁ দাঁড়া দেখি তুলতে পারি কিনা, তেলটাকে বন্ধ করি। নট গুড, আমি যেই বুঝেছি এমনি পড়েছি। চাপ হোল্ড করি, জানি তুই সাইড দিয়ে বের করতে পারবি না তো, ওয়েট কর দেখি উপর স্ট্যান্ডটা ফেলতে পারি কিনা। স্ট্যান্ড ফেলেছি ওদিকে। Had a very bad fall और ऐसी गंदे जगह पर गिरने पर ना it becomes very difficult to pick up your motorcycle. Keeping your motorcycle light is a key factor. টোটাল ট্রিপে কভার করলাম একবার, দুবার, তিনবার পড়েছি। পাগল নাকি, এর উপরে যাওয়া যায় নাকি বাইক নিয়ে? হ্যাঁ, 5 kilometers away from Manebhanjan, we got into network zone and did the mandatory phone calls to home, relatives and friends, and then after informing them, they are relieved, but then life catches up with you. For the past 2 or 3 days, we were outside network zone. There was no network. We did not know what was happening in our world outside back at Kolkata, but ये तो थोड़ा toy है, oh fuck. And then suddenly life catches up with you. All the problems, all the issues from your daily life start haunting you. I just feel like had I been up there for another few days, probably it would have been better. All that solace is now gone. Finally, pitch roads. Getting to see tar almost after 3 days. Tarmac, man, tarmac. देख के भी कितना अच्छा लगता है। रोड हो तो ऐसी, ऊपर थोड़ी बहुत ऐसे बना देते तो फिर संदाकफू में मजा नहीं आता। फिर जहाँ पे टार वाला रोड था, लेकिन हमने डिसाइड किया ये भी थोड़ा घूम लेते हैं हम। Top of the hill. Yeah man, that's what we need to do. Okay, so अभी नीचे उतर आए, मतलब पूरा completely नीचे नहीं. We have still a few kilometers to go, but then it's tar. There, the roads are good here. We saw these green meadows around, so we decided to take a break here, park our motorcycles there. There is also homestay here. The name of this place is probably, okay, look, Hawks Homestay. Yeah, if you can see, the name of this place is Chitri. Done with the short little break. সোজা মিরিকে গিয়ে ব্রেকফাস্ট। ওই দিক দিয়ে নামতে হবে, এই সোজা তো নেমে আসতে পারতি, সবচেয়ে কঠিন রাস্তাটা দিয়ে আসতে হবে। হ্যাঁ এবার পার্ক ওটা টানতে হবে। GS6000 টার রয়েছে। চলো, had some fun. Okay, while coming to Sandakphu, this was the first spot where one of our team members, Mohinak, he fell at this first turning, and this is exactly from where it starts. Woo! So these are the wonderful roads of the hills amidst the mountains. These roads really seem very easy to us now. Because what we faced at Sandakphu, oh my god, these roads are almost nothing, but then we should not be overconfident. हर एक मोड़ पे risk है on these hilly roads. In fact, the moment you sit on your motorcycle, you take a lot of responsibilities and risks in your hand. Once we reach Mirik, then we will call Menak. Mirik is around 20 or 30 kilometers away from here. শিলিগুড়ি দেখাচ্ছে 82 kilometers. So we were deciding if we should go towards Ghum, because Ghum is just 12 kilometers. In case you are not aware, Ghum is the highest hill station, railway station. Yeah, right. Feel the curves but don't hug them. Well, Shiliguri is 68 kilometers from here. Actually, we had taken a wrong route, the route via Darjeeling, but then this one is shorter. I mean, the route via Pashupatinath, Mirik is shorter, and we do want to halt near Mirik Lake. The GPS was showing some wrong road, but then Shilaj remembered the route and then he corrected us. So if you don't know, these roads, all these fine tarmac laid roads are under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. So it's around 12:10 right now, and Mirik is approximately 10 kilometers away from here. In the morning we had only coffee with Kanchenjunga, and now we are planning to have lunch with Mirik Lake. Wow, look at this road. खूब सुंदर जगह मिरिक। मिरिक लेक कितना दूर भैया? अच्छा, और नीचे मिरिक लेक आगे कितना किलोमीटर? 10 मिनट। ओके Look at this wonderful tea gardens. Mirik is beautiful as well in its own right. Full of lush greenery, tea gardens, and so many flowers. Isn't that wonderful? Mirik Lake. इधर एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम नहीं, नॉर्मल पेट्रोल ना? हाँ, डाल एकदम फुल कर दो. Finally, it seems we found Mirik Lake, but I'm still not sure. Hills restaurant. Okay, we are at Mirik and we are having our lunch right now. Back to some homely lunch. Okay, so we had our lunch here near Mirik Lake at Hills restaurant. Mutton and rice. Lunch थोड़ा heavy हो गया. I did not take extra rice. Was in control. बस बाकियों को थोड़ा बहुत नींद आ रहा है. And Siliguri, specifically Phoenix Lodge, is around 49 kilometers away from here. Once I reach, I'll update. That's about it. This is where the mountains end and that's the plains. Okay, so we reached Siliguri at around 4 PM and our Moinak Babu is here.
Yesterday I was coming back from Sandakpur with my bike on a truck, and so many things happened on the road. Once the fuel got finished in the truck 5 kilometers before Manebhanjan, and we were stuck for half an hour. He told his friend to bring 20 liters of fuel for him, and then again air entered inside the fuel pump. There more than an hour got wasted. Then I started around 9 at Manebhanjan and reached here 12:30. So 12:30 I checked in the hotel, no food, just some biscuits for the night, and then next day morning I went to KTM service center, Siliguri. They did an excellent job, costed me only 1050 rupees and the bike got fixed. That's about it.
That's all. In the tent.
Cut.
আসলে বল, আরে বল না কি আছে, হারিয়ে গেছে তো হারিয়ে গেছে, কি আছে
না ওইটা না, সেইটা বল, ওটা না, এসে কি করলি সেটা বল।
সেটা বলে
এসে কি করলি বল।
কাটো
चलो अभी तक तो सब सही सलामत है, एवरीथिंग इज ओके एंड फाइन. Tomorrow the boring road back to Kolkata.